Hello, this is Dharmishta. Today we will learn how to work with Visual Basic 6.0. See, first of all, click on in this way. See, this is the icon here given. Click on this. In this way we can see the screen of Visual Basic. Then click on File menu, New Project, then Standard EXE, then finally click on OK. In this way we can open form and project. Project means collection of form. So here we in this way we can generate a form. Then first one is project 1 title bar, then menu bar, then standard bar. Here given a different type of tool. First one is add standard exe, form, menu editor, open project, save project, cut, copy, paste, find, redo, undo, start, break, and project window. In this way here given a number of tools. Now left side of the screen here given toolbar for picture box, text box, label, frame, command button, option button, check box, combo box, list box, vertical and horizontal scroll bar, file list. So here given total 21 tools. We can use it as per our requirement. Suppose here not given both the window, we can open in this way project window and property window. See, we can decrease the size of window in this way. Then we can also add one more form in this way. Just click on form, then select, then open. In this way we can add one more form. Suppose you don't want to work with it, then right click on it and just select remove a form. In this way we can remove a form. Now just select a label. First of all we use the label, put on the form and set in a proper way. Now click text box control and put on the form. So when we select it, its related property open in a property window. Here we select text 1. See here the name property text 1. Now first we select label 1, then here we in a caption property remove a label 1, then write down a name. Then second property is font. Here we increase a font size of the label, then bold and select a proper font. Here we select Arial, then click on OK. Then after we change a font color, here given the font color property, then select palette, then select any one. In this way we can change a font of the label. Now background color, we can also change a background color. See the effect. Now next thing is text 1. Here we remove a text from text property, then remove text 1 from it. Now next control is label. Again put here, then caption property, remove label 2, then write down there city. Same way here we open a font, select it, then select there background color, then change background color, then select font, then increase the size, then OK, then change font color. See in this way and change font color. Now put here another control text 2, then change a text 2 from the property text property, then remove a text 2. Okay, then next control command button, put on the form, then caption property, remove command 1, then write down there save. Then after run your program by using this button in this way, then type a data. See, in this way, just type a data and then after click on save button. In this way we can generate a form by using Visual Basic. See, in this way, then click on save button.